The following presentation is about the unnatural disaster, climate-enhanced extreme weather disasters. This is a photograph of the Earth taken by the Apollo 17 crew in 1972. And these are images of our planet now. Massive forest fires in California, hurricanes swallowing the United States and surrounding islands in the Atlantic Ocean, destructive tornadoes in Colorado, and extreme heat in Australia. This is a picture of our Earth now. How has so much changed in such a short amount of time? Well, the answer lies within ourselves. Humans are the cause of this incredible, yet terrifying weather. Yet, what are we doing to cause this? Pollution is the number one cause for this. Worldwide, people are emitting 2.4 million pounds of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere every second. Greenhouse gases are caused by burning fossil fuels such as coal and oil. But factories are not solely responsible for this. Cars, airplanes, and your everyday buildings all contribute to this. But why is this such a big deal? When we emit greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, it has a greenhouse effect on the entire world. You're familiar with greenhouse gases, right? With how they trap the sun's energy to keep the inside warm? The Earth has a natural greenhouse effect, keeping it warm enough to sustain life. If you add human pollution to the mix, and you have an enhanced greenhouse effect that results in extreme weather. The greenhouse gases I am referring to are water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. When these gases are emitted into the atmosphere, they enhance our atmosphere's capability of catching the sun's rays and emitting little back, thus causing an enhanced greenhouse effect. So the Earth is a little warmer. Why is this such a big deal? A warmer Earth leads to more extreme weather. Of course, a warmer Earth means more intense heat, as well as drought. But it is also the cause of heavier rainfall, which leads to flooding, causes more intense hurricanes, and tornadoes. How does this all happen, though? For the heavier rainfall to happen that has been occurring, the human-caused global warming has resulted in more water vapor in the atmosphere. There is more air. The warmer the air is, the more water vapor there is. And the more water vapor available, the more a storm system has to work with to create a heavier rainfall. The heavier rainfall caused by human warming also leads to flooding because of raised sea levels and a rapid spring snowmelt. It has also increased the Atlantic hurricane activity with increased intensity, frequency, and duration. Higher sea surface temperatures are the main cause for this, and human warming effect plays a big role in this with greenhouse gas emission and particulate pollution. Hurricanes also develop based on the local atmosphere and how it responds to changes in the local sea surface temperature, which have been affected by the human-induced global warming. Other storm changes that might be linked to the human-induced global warming include high-intensity tornadoes and snowstorms, although more research needs to be done on these. So now that we know what the problem is, what's the solution? There is currently a global goal to limit future warming by 2 degrees Celsius by reducing the emission of greenhouse gases by monitoring and controlling the usage. Some things that you can do every day to reduce greenhouse gas emissions are driving fuel smart or electric vehicles, unplugging all devices when they're not in use, switching to LED light bulbs, and making the change to switch to energy efficient appliances, which will not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but it will also save you money in the long run. For more information, visit the following websites: